Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about operational overview of a CPU, part of programming in C course. The central processing unit, CPU, is the brain of a computer and is responsible for performing mathematical calculations and logical operations. It is made up of several components, including the arithmetic logic unit, ALU, and the control unit, CU. The arithmetic logic unit, ALU, is responsible for performing mathematical calculations such as addition and subtraction, as well as logical operations such as and or. The ALU receives input from registers and memory, performs the necessary calculations, and then stores the result back in registers or memory. Control unit. The CU is responsible for controlling the overall operation of the CPU. It receives instructions from memory, decodes them to determine the operations to be performed, and then sends control signals to the ALU and other components of the CPU to execute the instruction. Registers. Registers are small memory locations within the CPU that are used to store data and instructions for immediate use. They are the fastest type of memory and can be accessed in a single clock cycle. Clock. The CPU has a built-in clock that generates regular pulses or ticks which are used to synchronize the operations of the CPU. The clock speed, measured in gigahertz, determines how many operations the CPU can perform per second. Instruction pointer. The instruction pointer is a register that holds the memory address of the next instruction that the CPU is to execute. The CPU fetches instructions from memory, decodes them, performs the necessary calculations, and then stores the results back in memory. This process is known as fetch, decode, execute cycle and is repeated continuously as long as the computer is running. Additionally, modern CPUs usually have a feature called pipelining, which allows the CPU to fetch, decode, and execute multiple instructions simultaneously. This improves the CPU performance by increasing the number of instructions that can be executed per clock cycle. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.